Hi, hello. How are you? Long time no see. Um, I haven't put anything out in a while. And that's because I go through periods of time where I lose interest in kink stuff. I'm on the asexual spectrum, so I don't know, probably has something to do with that. So yeah, I was just in one of those moods for a few months, but now I'm kind of transitioning out of that, so I thought I would. Um, so I thought it was about time I did a new recording. This time I thought I would do like a little FAQ about me thing. Just answer a couple of questions that I've written down that I thought you might be interested in. And yeah, I guess let's just get to it. Um, I'm going to be inducing with a blend of chinkney and sneezeweed, powdered sneezeweed. Sneezeweed is a plant that is native to North America, and when it's dried and ground up, you can use it to induce sneezing. Apparently, it was used by some indigenous peoples for that purpose. So I actually grew some plants from seed, and they finally flowered. I got one plant to flower, and I dried one of the flower heads, and I ground it up, and I tried it, and it unfortunately didn't work. But it kind of felt like a weaker version of Chinkney that also somehow burned more. So what I did was I added it to the remnants of an old vial of Chinkney, and that kind of like punched it up and I think made it a little more effective. At least when I tried it, it worked. So I'm going to use that today to induce with. So I guess let's get going here. Going to sniff the stuff. I'm not sure how much I'm going to need. If it'll work. Let's find out. All right. So, first question I want to answer is what makes me sneeze? Nothing. Chinkney is the only thing that I've found that works. I don't have any allergies. I'm not sensitive to dust. Oh, there it is. Physical stimulation doesn't really do anything for me. I'm gonna sneeze again, I think. Yep. So yeah, actually. Wow. Stuff is working pretty well. Yeah. Sometimes I can go months without sneezing, which is, excuse me, kind of crazy. I think, anyway. Moving on. Next question. Allergies or colds? Allergies, all the way for me. I'm a germaphobe, so colds have very little appeal for me. Yeah, I'm just not into illness and contagion. Excuse me. Not much else to say about that. I just really love allergies. I don't know. There's something about it that just appeals to me, I guess. Fuck. There it is. Moving on. Thoughts on mess? Absolutely not for me. I don't like mess at all. At the most, a spray. I have hang-ups about bodily fluids in general. I have particular distaste for the SNOT word. I do not like that word. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. That was harsh. Oh, goddamn. So yeah, I'm not a fan of mess in particular. Oh, fuck. I'm not a fan of mess in particular. Oh, fuck. Tissues or handkerchiefs is the next question. I only ever actually blow my nose into tissues. If I just needed to like wipe my nose, I might use a handkerchief, but I mostly use handkerchiefs for appearance. In my on-camera work. Oh my god. My eyes are streaming. And oh fuck. Cursing a lot. Hope you don't mind. As far as like as far as like what other people would use, I don't really have a preference, but handkerchiefs kind of feel more appropriate to me in like a time period, like a particular time period rather. Like Victorian stuff. For example, period pieces. That's the word I was looking for. Handkerchiefs feel more appropriate in period pieces to me. Okay. Last question. If I can speak. Would I ever date someone from the community? First of all, I'm married. I've been married over a decade. I've been with my husband for over 20 years, as far as like when we started dating. And secondly, no, I'm not interested in dating anybody from the community. This inducing stuff, I can do that in front of a microphone. There's nobody else here. I'm sitting in front of a computer with a box of tissues and a microphone, and nobody else knows well, my husband knows what I'm doing because I told him, but nobody is gonna see me. Whatever. I cannot do this kind of thing in front of another person. Oh my god. I am very drippy right now. Speaking of mess, for those of you who like it. I'm gonna blow my nose. Fair warning. Man, that is gross. Oh, man. Yeah, I would not want to date somebody else from the community. I would not make a very good sneeze fucker partner because, one, as I said before, I can go months without sneezing. So I'm not very sneezy in general. Sorry, now my voice is all raspy. I don't like inducing in front of other people. And I'm an asexual gremlin. Like, what do you want from me? But you know, I'll still be putting out content and stuff for y'all. I think that's all we're going to get. Can I zoom out while I'm recording? Hang on. If I'm counting right from the peaks in the audio waveform thing, I've got like over 20 sneezes, so that's probably enough, right? You greedy bastards, you. Yeah, so yeah, I'd say the Chinkney and Sneezeweed mixture works pretty frickin' well. If you're still here, thanks for sticking with me this long. And I look forward to doing more content again. I want to do that scenario wave that I promised, the movie date one, and more on-camera work. Actually, had just bought some cute crop tops for on-camera work right before the asexual slump hit me. And I was so, disappointed. Because it's not like I have a choice. Oh, yeah. I also had COVID. That's another reason why I was MIA for a while. Whatever. Anyway. Thanks for sticking with me this long. I look forward to making more content. Until then, stay frosty? Stay sneezy? I don't know. Until then.